Get all Siri settings on the iPhone 17 series. Customize the new AI-powered Siri features, improve voice accuracy, manage privacy controls, and more on iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. Let's jump in. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and open Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on the Talk and Type to Siri toggle. Select Hey Siri to use Siri hands-free, or select Siri or Hey Siri. If Siri is already turned on, turn it off first, then reselect Hey Siri to reset the Siri setup and set it up again. Enable the Press Siri button toggle. This lets you use Siri by long pressing and holding the side button to talk to Siri. Next setting is the Type to Siri toggle. Double-tap the bottom edge of your iPhone to type to Siri instead of speaking. The next setting is how you want Siri to respond. Choose silent, spoken, or automatic. If you select automatic, Siri will speak responses in certain situations, like when you're driving or using headphones with the screen off. To see Siri responses in text, enable this toggle. Messaging with Siri. Turn on this toggle to send messages faster. To stop Siri from asking for confirmation before sending messages, turn on Automatically Send Messages. And that's it. To reset Siri and dictation history, tap on Siri and dictation history and use the Delete option. The next settings are for Siri suggestions when you search in Spotlight. To exclude apps from Siri search suggestions, go under Apps, then disable options like Show on Home Screen and Suggest App. To extend Siri features on your iPhone, like call hang-up, speaking rate, and more, go to Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap Siri. First, set the default Siri pause time, then change the speaking rate. This makes Siri faster and easier to recognize in less time. Next, customize Siri spoken responses. These settings are really useful, as you can see on my iPhone 17 Pro screen. Lastly, for call hang-up, you can remotely decline incoming phone calls or FaceTime calls by saying, "Hey Siri, hang up." That's everything about Siri settings and customization for iPhone 17 series users. If you have any questions, comment below. To reset all settings back to default, go to Settings, then General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will not delete any data like media files, messages, or apps. If you have any questions, comment below. Please like to support me and subscribe for new video updates.